All right, YouTube. So I just wanted to come with this quick update of the Tepehuan Shelling-Pea variety. This is supposed to be a sweet pea. I'm harvesting some pods right now. You can see there a decent sized pod. It's not large at all. Seems like it can have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 or so seeds in there. 3, 6, yeah, about 7 seeds max is what it looks like. And these plants are high producers. The vines are about 5 to 6 feet high, but we had some strong winds, and I didn't have this variety trellised, so they kind of blew over. You can see that it's just loaded with pods. I haven't reached inside the plant yet. I've just been picking from the the swollen pods that are on the outside of the plant. I'm planning on leaving the pods that are inside the plants to dry, so I can save seed from those, since this variety can't be purchased at the moment. So I'm just coming to the other side of these plants. I planted about 50 seeds, however many came in that packet from Native Seed Search. So this is the pods before they fill out, and they don't feel tender at all. Well, they don't feel like a snap pea, I should say. So I definitely wouldn't use that variety for a snap pea, but the peas itself, the shelled peas, are supposed to be real sweet. You can see there's just, hopefully y'all can see because the sun is starting to set, but it's just loads of pods on here. I mean, it's just loads. This is an area of the plants I haven't harvested yet. I'm gonna leave this section to grow, but pods all over, guys. Tepehuan sweet shelling pea. I'm gonna save seed from this variety and make it available to y'all for whoever's interested. I'm gonna start taking bricks measurements also, sugar measurements of the vegetables that I grow, such as these peas and whatnot. And I'm gonna start doing comparison videos of the different pea varieties and just the different vegetable varieties and how sweet they are and whatnot, so we can know what's the best quality produce that's that we may want in our gardens. So that's Tepehuan sweet shelling pea. It's a native variety, drought tolerant. I started the seeds about in September or October, and they started producing about a month and a half ago. See y'all in the next one.